Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over on how to do a Google form. Many people decide on whether they want to do a Microsoft form or a Google form, and this is all pretty much based on preference. For me, I like to use Google Forms because it's a lot easier and I grew up using it, so it's a lot more ingrained into what I like to do. So to start off, you're going to go up to this top area right here. I can circle it real quick. Start a new form. This area you'll click on and it will create a new form for you. So this is a completely blank form. You're starting from scratch. This is the kind of the options it will give you. So to start off, you got to come up with the title. Let's do class attendance. And for the descriptions, you could do students checking in for class. So for moving on to your questions, you could make a question like, what is today's date? And Google Forms, once seeing the date part of it, automatically fills in from this slew of options what best fits your question. So, as in what is today's date, Google Form already put in the month, day, year setting. They could click that calendar and then pick the perfect month, day, and year for that date. Then you could come over here, click this required button, and that means that they have to fill out this question on the Google Form to make sure that they can submit it. They cannot submit this Google Form without filling out this one question. Then you can come over here and add a different question with this add button. So, who was in class today? It's a valid question. Teachers would want to know it. So instead of having this short answer, because that would make it pretty difficult, we could come over here and do a drop down, multiple choice, check boxes, linear scale rating. For this one, I like to do check boxes. So let's imagine there's a Luke in the class, or a Dan, or a Cassie, or Abby. Let's add a Victor. Oop, has Victor. All right. So let's imagine these 5 individuals are in this one class. We go ahead and make it required, so they have to fill it out in order to submit the Google form. And we can go ahead and say that this is what class is. Come over here and you can import the class attendance title in the top left. And then you could choose a theme, choose a color. You could make it fun color. You can over here, let's make it orange. Why not? Then over here in the top right, you can publish it. I'm not going to do that now, but once you hit publish, you can do things like preview. And this is what your form would look like. This is a pretty simple standard form, but you could pick the month, day, year from the month, day, year cycle. Let's pick November 18th, and it will say Luke, Dan, Cassie, Abby, Victor. Who was in class today? And you could go down the list, and let's say Abby was not present, so that's what you would do. So let's exit preview mode, leave that real quick, and let's go to responses. This is where you'll see all your responses from the Google form of who filled it out, and you'll see who was present in class today. And you can also link this to a Google Sheets to make it easily spread out and easily seen throughout many different days and many different months. And in settings, you can make this a quiz. I'm going to unclick that, and you can make more responses, presentations, and so on and so forth. This appears the copy responder link in the top right hand corner next to the publish button. It's also where you share it as well. So that is how you do that. Thank you and have a great day.